Hello respectable audience, can you comment the answer for this simple math question? But remember that most people answered it wrong because they urgently calculated the calculation in their minds, and that is why they will be wrong. About 80 to 90% people solve this question in their heads, and here in this portion they will get -7, in this portion they will get -7. So -7 times -7, they will obviously get +49. Now they will be thinking that why they are incorrect. I will tell the reason that why 49 is incorrect. Let us solve this question again. Let us solve this question again according to correct way, correct order of operation by obeying order of operation. PEMDAS, parenthesis mean bracket, exponent mean power, M for multiplication, D for division, addition and subtraction. So follow this order to get this question correctly. First of all, parentheses, we have parentheses here, you are looking parentheses, so 1 minus 8, we will get -7. Parenthesis has been solved. Now exponent is missing. Multiplication, yes, here is multiplication because here we are looking dot dot mean multiplication. It means we can rewrite this question as 8 times -7. Okay, now this portion will be handled first because it is multiplication. Don't solve 1 minus 8 because it is subtraction. So we will get 1 plus 8 times 7 will be 56, and after solving we will get 57. That will be our correct answer. Thank you.